Hello everyone and welcome to day number 35. Today we are going to be talking about the lowest common denominator. So when you're going through your Nearpod lessons, and if you haven't watched the video that I created on Nearpod, go ahead and watch that one before you watch this one, okay? So today in your Nearpod lessons, you are going to be asked to find the lowest common denominator. That's what LCD stands for. Of 18/12 and 22/8. So you have two fractions. What I want you to do is look at their denominators. You have a denominator of 12 and a denominator of 8. So we're going to find the LCD of 8 and 12. So the easiest way to do that is to actually create a table, okay? So we're going to say 8 and we're going to say 12. And we're going to first begin by skip counting by 8. So let's see, we have 8, 16, 24, right? Because 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4, 32, and then 8 more is 40, okay? So I skip counted by 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. And now I'm going to skip count by 12. So let's see, 12 and 12 more is 24. And 12 more is 36. And 12 more is 48. And 12 more is 60. And now I'm going to look at my column of 8s and look at my column of 12s, and I am going to circle the first number that are in both columns that are the same. So let's see, and that happens to be 24. So the LCD of 12 and 8 is 24. There we go. All right. Now let's try to find the LCD of 5 and 8. So we have 9/5 and 14/8. I look at my denominators, which are 5 and 8, and I'm going to go ahead and set up my table of 5 and 8. And first I'm going to skip count by 5s, and I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, 35, and 40, and I'll stop there, okay? Now I'm going to skip count by 8s. So I have 8, 8 more is 16, 8 more is 24, 8 more is 32, okay, 8 more is 40, 8 more is 48, okay, 8 more is 56, and 8 more is 64. Now I have my columns of 5, skip counting by 5 and skip counting by 8, and I'm going to look for the lowest common denominator. I'm going to look in both columns and circle the number that is the same in both columns. The first number that I see that's the same. And what is that? Oh, it is 40. So my LCD of 5 and 8 is 40. So go ahead and use this video before you do your Nearpod lesson, so when you are asked to look for the LCD, you know how to do it. Okay, I will see you tomorrow in day number 36. Bye-bye.